What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Uyghurman. And what do you guys think about my new little recording space I made for you guys? Real tutorial guitar. Everything worked good. I cannot play, but I love the way it looks as art, a piece of art. Look at this, how beautiful it is. I wish I'm good at it. I want to learn about it. If I have a chance, I really want to keep practice on it, but I'm not good at all. Duta, I have no idea. It's two string, but it's really hard to play actually. In this video, I want to talk about the wrong reaction happening in my YouTube channel. I don't know how should I describe it. I should say, oh, it's a monetization from YouTube or some hacking to my account. I just want to show you guys what's going on. Hello guys, here's my YouTube channel looks like, and today I got one notification and I clicked it. It's something about this guy saying his boss is Chinese and his boss is very anti-Islam, blah blah. I don't understand fully, but I want to click it for full version and disappear already. It's gone. It happened to me very many times, quite amount of time, and I'm not understanding it's from who. Like it's a hacker or the. Please give me your point of view. Or have you guys have same experience before, or it's just happening to me? And it happened many times. Sometimes the like amount disappears. Sometimes the view amount is decrease, not increase. That's why I'm so tired with this channel. But I am the justice believer. I just talk whatever is the truth about my people, whatever can help my people. I really don't want to see my people get discrimination by Chinese Communist Party. My voice cannot reach more and more people because of this type of invisible enemy is going on in my channel. Is that also happening to you guys' channel too? So if it's yes, so how I can avoid it? How should I do next? Please leave a comment. I really need you guys' help for support. Please guys, let me know. I want to test it out. Go, if you see this video now, just go leave a comment, say, oh, test from me, or whatever you want to leave, or you want to leave whatever you want to talk. Just leave something there and check it out. Your comment, it disappear or not. I would, if I saw it, I definitely reply. If I didn't reply, it means your comment is not there. Could we just test it out together, guys? Leave a comment, please. Thank you, guys. I don't know why. I don't know why. Because of this flag, I got this reaction, weird reaction, or because of I am a Uyghur man, or because of I'm a justice believer, or why? Why? I mean, could you guys leave a comment and tell me why is all this happening? I'm just so idiot. I don't understand what is going on. Could you guys leave a comment because of why? Because of my flag? Because of I'm a Uyghur man? Or because of the justice believer, the world? Which one? Guys, at the end of this video, I just want to clarify one thing. This type of hacking or this type of invisible enemy to my YouTube account or in the air can never stop me to speak up the justice. Speak up for my people. It can never stop. And this should not. It is time to tell them stop. That's all I want. That's all we should talk. We're not against any people. We're against those evil behave. Who knows, we gotta get infected by Chinese coronavirus tomorrow or today. I just want to speak up before that they come. You should too. That's all we can do. We're not talking like Chinese spokesmen to threat the world with their nuclear weapon all the time. He said, oh, we have nuclear weapons, shut up. I'm not talking like that, I'm just saying. Chinese Communist Party doing this to us. They're doing organ harvesting. They're putting us to concentration camp. They're forcing Uyghurs to marry Chinese monster, Chinese communist robots. At least just support this channel. If you cannot speak up, if it's too dangerous to you because of you have a Chinese co-workers, or if you have a Chinese boss, like that comment, just to support this channel. I'm your spokesman. Let's do it, guys. And please don't forget, comment on the below, and then if I don't reply, it means your comment already get deleted. I don't even know how much of my comment get deleted every time. Sometimes my view amount is going decrease, a negative way to grow. That's super weird, guys. We have to stop, and please help me. Let my voice to reach out more and more people, guys, so that I can help my people to suffer less. Please, guys. And also subscribe button, like button, don't forget, and I will see you next time.